We're going to use the fundamental identities to simplify the expression. The expression is tangent t plus cotangent t divided by cosecant negative t is equal to something. So the first thing I like to do is, I know that cosecant it's an odd function, so the negative is going to come out of the function. So the first step, this is going to become tangent t plus cotangent t divided by negative cosecant t. Because cosecant is basically 1 over sine, so sine is an odd function, the negative comes out. Next, I'm going to split the fraction into 2. So I will say tangent t divided by negative cosecant t plus cotangent t divided by negative cosecant t. I know that tangent is sine over cosine, so I can simplify each one of these individually. So I will say sine t over cosine t divided by negative cosecant t, and then plus, same here, cotangent is cosine over sine, cosine t divided by sine t divided by negative cosecant t. I know to turn division into a multiplication and then take the reciprocal, but before I take the reciprocal, let me simplify cosecant. We said cosecant is 1 over sine. So sine t over cosine t divided by 1 over, or negative 1 over sine t, plus cosine t divided by sine t divided by 1 or negative 1 over sine t. Right. Now it's time to turn the division into multiplication and then multiply with the reciprocal instead. So that's what I'm going to do here. Sine t over cosine t times sine t divided by negative 1 plus cosine t divided by sine t times sine t divided by negative 1. Okay, now I can see that these will cancel together, and I will have here sine square t divided by negative cosine t plus negative cosine t. I'm going to have a common denominator, so what I can do, I can multiply the fraction here by cosine t times cosine t divided by cosine t. Then what I'm going to have, I will have a negative cosine t in the denominator common, so the negative will get down here, and at the top I'm going to have cosine square t. So I will end up with sine square t divided by negative cosine t plus cosine square t divided by negative cosine t. And I have a common denominator, so I can add them and put them on the same denominator. Sine square t plus cosine square t is divided by negative cosine t. Cosine square t plus sine square t is equal to 1. So this is equivalent to saying 1 divided by negative cosine t. I can take the negative and put it in the very front. I know 1 over cosine is secant. So this is going to be negative, and then 1 over cosine is secant t. So this is how I simplify it. This is the simplest form, and the final answer is negative secant t. I am sure some of you will find some shortcuts. I wanted to show you step-by-step process to see where that negative came from. It came from the fact that cosecant is odd, so the negative is going to come out because cosecant is 1 over sine. We know that sine is an odd function. So negative sine theta is the same as sine negative theta. I hope this clarified the simplification of this expression. If you have any questions, let me know.